there, beautiful souls. Today I'm inviting you to join me for a wonderful 10-minute morning yoga session. Let's rise and shine together with a gentle wake-up flow that will energize your body and soothe your mind. Start by finding a comfortable seated position on your mat. Take a deep breath in, lifting your arms above your head. Exhale, and bring your hands to heart center. Let's set an intention for our practice today. Maybe it's gratitude, patience, or just being present in the moment. Whatever it is, hold it close to your heart. Now, let's move into cat-cow. Come onto all fours, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. On your inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and gaze up for cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and press into the mat for cat pose. Repeat this a few times, syncing your movements with your breath. Feel the gentle stretch waking up your spine. Next, we'll move into downward dog. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, and press back. Keep your knees slightly bent if you need to. Pedal your feet here, one heel down, then the other. This will stretch your hamstrings and calves. Take a few breaths here, feeling the energy flow through your body. Step your right foot forward between your hands and rise up into Warrior One. Ground your back heel, bend your front knee, and reach your arms up towards the sky. Feel the strength in your legs and the stretch in your arms. Hold here for a few breaths, then switch to the other side. Now come back to the front of your mat, and let's move into a forward fold. Hinge at your hips and let your torso hang heavy over your legs. You can bend your knees if needed. Shake your head yes and no, releasing any tension in your neck. Slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time. Once you're standing, reach your arms up high for a full body stretch. Exhale and bring your hands back to heart center. Let's finish with a gentle seated twist. Sit back down on your mat, cross your legs, and place your right hand on your left knee. Inhale to lengthen your spine and exhale to twist to the left. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Finally, find a comfortable seated position again. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Thank yourself for showing up today. Remember, this small practice can make a big difference in your day. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.